We work with business owners on their basic back office, professional business, accounting, strategy, consulting. We do as much or as little as they want, from setting up QuickBooks to basic QuickBooks entry and to providing and analyzing financial statements on a regular basis. GLM and myself, we provide ideas for business savings and for business growth. Who we work with are business owners, people that own businesses, the ones that are just looking to keep track of their financials. So, manufacturing, wholesale, distribution. We also work with professional services people that are consultants, attorneys, financial, and chiropractic, massage therapy, beauty salons, places like that, which also leads into business to consumer owners. We are heavily into the auto repair and gas station industry, as well as other retail businesses. These businesses usually have 0 to 30 employees and are between 0 to 10 million in yearly revenue. So what we try to do is find people that are willing to talk with their accountant on a regular basis and are committed to effective implementation and cost savings and some business building strategies. We do offer a previous year's tax return review, as well as we can look at your current QuickBooks and review that as well and help talk with you through what we can help you. So as I always say, if you hear a business owner say that a family member handles my books, I do my own books, I never meet with an accountant, or the thing I've been saying recently that's generated some excitement is if you know of a business owner that has QuickBooks sitting on their desk, still in the cellophane, please tell them about me. So how do we do this? Well, we do it through a 5 basic step process. The first one is the B, begin. We begin with a review of documents with the clients. So we basically take everything that that they've done since the last time we talked, and if it's brand new, it's everything that they've ever done, and we review it. Then we can take it back and we can process that information, meaning we can enter it into QuickBooks. If somebody is already doing that, we can review that QuickBooks file. But either way, we prepare the financial statements. And then after we prepare the financial statements, we have a higher level accountant or CPA review the financial statements. We review them for not only accuracy, but also for tax ramifications, the different things that we can review. And I'll get into a little bit of the financial analysis of it. And then we provide some consulting. What I like to say, it's at the bug in their ear of the business owner. What are some of the things you're thinking about if to sell your business, to retire, to send your kids to college, whatever it is, we want to make sure we're the bug in your ear. And then the last step is the begin again. We start it all over again. So just to kind of give you an idea of a financial analysis of a business, this is one I've used. We just kind of tell them where their cash position is. We talk about a break-even analysis, meaning we let them know what their total cost of goods, what their profit is, percentage of profit, as well as their expenses. And we also like to do let them know what their break-even point is. So if you know that in the course of a month you've hit $10,000 in revenue, you know that all of your bills have been paid, all your overhead is covered, and everything else is just gravy. So if you are a business owner, that helps make you realize where you're at in the course of the month. So the other part of it is just basic review. We want to make sure that we understand their accounts receivable, asking lots of questions there, different IRAs or any of the other retirement plans. Maybe they do e-commerce and they're doing business in several states. And then working through just some of the different things that we can maybe tighten up on their QuickBooks. So it's not as huge, it's not as daunting, and it's a little bit easier for them to read. If they need to, we'll talk them through the difference between the cash and accrual. And if you have questions on that, you can contact me. And then there might be a large check there that doesn't have any type of information on it. We want to make sure that everything is kept track of nicely. In this case, the business owner happened to buy a used car that they were going to use for business. So then we realized that we needed to get that information, get the sales record for that car, as well as start up a mile log and any other reimbursements on that vehicle that's just being used for business. So some of our things that we talk about as we're consulting the C part of the basic package is just different analyzing themes. And this is also where the matching ideas with resources comes into play. We don't do all of these different things that are on here. We just kind of put the bug in their ear on succession planning or market planning or any of the things that isn't specifically our specialty. So when we're putting that bug in their ear, we want to make sure that we have people that can back up if they say, yeah, I want to get that taken care of. I need to start worrying about retirement planning. I need to start, thinking about what my website looks like and things like that. So that's when we can, pass those referrals on to, people that we network with. So after meeting with them, if they become a client, we meet with them on a regular basis.